Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, welcome back to our English literature class. You all are advised to take out your English literature book. So, in today's English class, we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 15 in your English literature. We have done couple of chapters in literature like Tom Sawyer Paints the Fence, Hi, I Am Snake, Alice in Wonderland, right? So today we'll be continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 15, A Brave Heart. This chapter by Ravindra Shah. So students, we have done half reading of this chapter in school. This story is wonderful and inspiring also. Here we'll know about Mahendra Singh, the real hero whose act of bravery saved life of other peoples. So in this chapter we'll learn about what a real hero is like. We'll learn the importance of not panicking in any emergency and think clearली अबाउट इट कि यहाँ पे उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए, है ना. एंड विल लर्न दैट डूइंग आर जॉब रिलीजियसली इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. किसी भी काम को आप कर रहे हैं, अपनी जॉब को कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. So what we have read in this chapter till now is there's a man, Mahendra Singh, a key man. Students, do you all know who is key man? A key man is a railway employee whose job is to inspect the track and see that track are in proper shape with the help of key. As you can see here also, जो उनके हाथ में की है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So what happened? It was a breezy December morning when Mahendra Singh started from his home to reach railway station where he worked, जहाँ पे वो काम करते थे. Mahendra kept his bag of tools near the track. काफ़ी वो heavy bag था. Bag weighted about 20 kilograms and felt heavy. Obviously 20 किलो का वो बैग है, उसमें सारे टूल्स हैं तो वो काफ़ी हैवी भी है ना. उसको काफ़ी हैवी लग रहा होगा. देन महेंद्र बिगिंस इंस्पेक्टिंग द ट्रैक. महेंद्र हैंड्स वर नम ड्यू टू कोल्ड. दिसंबर है, बहुत सर्दी का टाइम है. उसके हाथ जो हैं वो बिल्कुल नम पड़े हुए हैं, सुन पड़े हुए हैं. बट he had to complete his job anyway, right? It is a job that has to be done whatever the weather it is. चाहे वो कोई सा भी मौसम है, काम तो काम है, काम तो करना ही है, right students? So now let's start reading this chapter. Let's continue. Okay, yes. So next, he had been on the track for several hours and was almost through with today's inspection. He looked at his watch. It was time for a train to pass. Within minutes, he would finish inspecting the last patch of the train. Just then, Mahindra noticed something and froze. उसने कुछ नोटिस किया. क्या नोटिस किया? Let's see. We'll read it. Okay. It wasn't due to the cold, but the sight of the broken track. Oh, he could not believe his eyes. Only yesterday, he had inspected the entire track without encountering any problem. But today, the damage done was massive. There was no time to think of the cause, nor the damage done was there any time to repair it. So sorry. There was no time to think of the cause, nor was there any time to repair it. Of course, we'll read it. The train was approaching. Mahindra had to think fast without losing a second. He quickly made up his mind. After all, he had to save so many lives. He stood on the track to stop the train. But how will he stop it? कैसे करेगा? Let's read. Speeding towards him. Next moment, he moved his red shirt and started waving it around. It was the only way to stop the train from going over the broken railway track and meet with a terrible accident. Terrible means bhayanak accident, you all know, right? So now students, what is happening now? In the last patch of inspection, Mahindra found a broken trap. जो लास्ट वो मोमेंट पे इंस्पेक्ट कर रहा था, देख रहा था, वहाँ उसे क्या मिला, एक ब्रोकन ट्रैक मिला. ही हैड टू अलर्ट द ड्राइवर ऑफ द अप्रोचिंग ट्रेन इमिडिएटली. ऑब्वियसली उसे किसी भी तरीके से उस ट्रेन के पास, उसके ड्राइवर के पास ये मैसेज पहुंचाना था कि समथिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर, कुछ ना कुछ गलत है यहाँ पे, राइट. सो ही डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ हिज ओन लाइफ बट रिमूव्स हिज रेड शर्ट, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर एज ऑल्सो. उसने क्या किया, अपने लाइफ के बारे में, अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में भी नहीं सोचा, और उसने ये एक फैसला लिया कि अब वो ये मैसेज जो रेल ड्राइवर है, ट्रेन ड्राइवर है, उसके पास पहुंचाएगा. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही didn't think of his own life but he removed his red shirt and waved it to the train. रेड कलर की शर्ट पहनी थी, उसे वेव किया. क्यों? रेड क्या बताता है, डेंजर. तो जो ट्रेन है, जो ट्रेन ड्राइवर है, उसके पास एक मैसेज किया कि समथिंग इज़ नॉट समथिंग इज़ नॉट गोइंग गुड देयर. तो उसने वो रेड शर्ट को वेव किया ताकि ट्रेन रुक जाए. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट. Driver of the train noticed Mahindra on the track and sensed the danger. अब जो ट्रेन का ड्राइवर है उसने महेंद्र को नोटिस कर लिया है, जो कि ट्रैक पर रेड कलर की शर्ट को वेव कर रहा है. एंड ही सेंस द डेंजर. जो भी ड्राइवर है उसको सेंस हो गया कि कुछ ना कुछ तो गलत, कुछ ना कुछ तो डेंजर है उस तरफ. ही पुल्ड द ब्रेक्स विद ऑल हिज माइट. हु पुल्ड? The train driver. The train driver pulled the brakes all his might. The train halted with a loud screech. Mahindra looked up towards heaven and thanked God. A dreadful accident had just been avoided. Lives of thousands of people traveling on the train had been saved. Yes. So we can say that Mahindra was a good employee. He did his job religiously every day in all type of weather, whether it is summer, whether it is we can say winter. He had to be alert all the time, है ना, as his lack of concentration could lead a terrible tragedy. So Mahindra completed his job every day despite of any kind of weather condition, है ना. So in this story basically, in a situation of emergency, he acted promptly and saved lives of thousands of people by, alerting the train driver to stop the train because of the broken track. जो भी वहाँ पे सिचुएशन थी, उसने उसे रोका, और उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि उसने थाउजेंड ऑफ पीपल की लाइफ को बचाया है ना. एक ऑर्डिनरी पीपल ने, है ना, हम जैसे एक इंसान ने एक ब्रेवरी का काम करते हुए अपनी जान को वी कैन से दाव पे लगाते हुए, है ना, उसने ये डिसीजन लिया कि वो दूसरों की मदद करेगा, दूसरों की लाइफ को सेव करेगा, राइट. सो यस, वी कैन से इज़ अ वेरी गुड एम्प्लॉय, है ना. ही इज़ वेरी डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स हिज वर्क, his job. Yes. So now let's see next. Mahendra Singh does not look like Superman or Shaktiman. You all know, right? Superman and Shaktiman are your superheroes जिनके पास पावर होती है ना, जो हम टेलीविजन्स में देखते हैं, इनकी मूवीज़ देखते हैं, राइट. So Mahendra Singh does not look like Superman or Shaktiman from any angle. So nor does he look like Batman or Spider-Man, of course. But 57 years old Mahendra Singh is a superhero in real life. वो सब तो रियल लाइफ के हीरोज़ हैं. हम उन्हें टीवी पे देखते हैं, हम उन्हें मूवीज़ में देखते हैं, है ना. ये सब क्या है, रियल लाइफ के हीरोज़ हैं. सुपरमैन, शक्तिमान, स्पाइडरमैन, बैटमैन. बट 57 years old Mahendra Singh is a superhero in real life. अब सबको पता है क्यों, है ना, सबको पता है क्यों एक सुपर हीरो इन रियल लाइफ है. Mahendra Singh later received the Railways Award for bravery. Yes, of course. The great thing about his act was that he did not think he was acting like a superhero. He was just doing his job as a railway employee. As I said, Mahendra was a good employee. मैंने कहा था जैसे ना. So the great thing about his act was that he did not think he was acting like a superhero. He was just doing his job as a railway employee, and may have thought, no, Mahendra Singh may have thought he was just doing his job, but it is commendable that he had not panicked in that in that time of danger एंड रिस्क हिज ओन लाइफ टू सेव लाइव्स ऑफ अदर्स, है ना. अपनी लाइफ को उन्होंने डेंजर में डाला, किस लिए? दूसरों की लाइफ, बहुत सारी लाइफ्स को सेव करने के लिए. यस, ही ऑल्सो प्रूव द पॉइंट दैट हीरोज आर ऑर्डिनरी people who do extraordinary things, right? I hope you all agree with this, that we can say ordinary people who do extraordinary things, वही होते हैं ना real superheroes, we can say super person also. So Mahendra is a superhero who does not resemble TV heroes, because he does his job carefully, and in the hour of emergency he quickly thought of saving thousands of lives and risk his own life there. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ऐसा ही हुआ कि दूसरों के लिए उन्होंने सबसे पहले सोचा, अपने आप को उन्होंने सेकंड पे रखा दूसरों की लाइफ को बचाने के लिए. तो सुपर हीरोज़ क्या करते हैं? ऐसे ही करते हैं मूवीज़ में ना, कार्टून्स में ऐसे ही होता है. So that's all for this chapter, students. It's a very wonderful chapter. It's a very beautiful chapter. In this we have learned so many things, right? We have learned about what a real hero is like Mahendra Singh. We have learned the importance of not panicking in an emergency, है ना. We have learned that doing our job religiously is a very important thing. बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वो अपना जॉब ही कर रहे थे. So students, that's all for this chapter. Now I'm sharing word meaning of this chapter, and you all have to solve the back exercise, like choose the correct options and true false of this chapter, and you have to share your work personally with me. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone.